Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Sin City Breaks. Today, we're doing part 2 of the 1991 Topps Stadium Club product. Brand new, fresh from the case that I have right here. Please look in the other videos below for part 1 that I did. Hopefully this time it kind of moves a little bit better, but like I said in the last video, this was really a revolutionary time for Topps. It was a brand new product produced with Kodak. So back then Kodak was the leader in picture qualities, and you'll really see it today in this video. This product, the quality of the cards are really phenomenal, and the picture is really crystal clear. Although the hiccups that we will find is that they, flip-flop the pictures or the cards all over the place. It really isn't that easy at the end of the day to flip through these cards really quickly. And the fact that they are 30 years old and been sitting in the pack, they stick together. But nonetheless, we'll get into it and fight the battle. Jeff McDonald there. There's several good cards in here that we could potentially pull. Like I said in the past, there's a really neat Ken Griffey Jr. card in here, a Nolan Ryan card that we could possibly pull that we're looking for. We did pull in the last video a Don Mattingly, which was really nice. A Bo Jackson we pulled as well. Let's see, there it goes. Jesse Bradford from the Yankees. And David Zicki. There's a Jeff Bagwell as well as a David Justice that we would love to see. A Ricky Henderson. The Big Hurt Frank Thomas would be a cool one to pull as well out of these cards. But we will keep plugging our way and see who else we can come across. Checklist. Newman. Scott Fletcher. Greg Jeffers. Dennis Boyle. I have to really I'm not trying to handle these cards inappropriately. It's just that they are sticking together, not making it easy for me to fly through them. Bobby Thompson. Gary Sheffield. Set him off to the side. Boom. Wade Boggs. Another cool, good one. Eric Davis. Oh, is that Craig Biggio? There he is. Astro catcher. Long-time catcher. Great, phenomenal player, entire career. This card right here, Greg Biggio. Matt, Jeff Coat, Mike Fitzgerald, Another Kirby Puckett. I got him in the last video. Ozzie again, got him in the last video as well. Holman. Fernando Valenzuela, Mexican star, pitched for the Dodgers for years. Fun fact, his son played for UNLV, played first base. A little fun fact for you there. Oral Hershiser. Paul Neal. Sandy Alleman. And Tom Gordon. 3 more packs will open up the Stadium Chromes tonight, and then we will put it on the rest of them on the shelf for a later date, because these are just not going in our favor. Barry Larkin. There's Sammy Sosa, got him in the last video as well. Otis Nixon, Harold Reynolds, Kent Anderson. There's that cool Nolan Ryan that I was talking about. Nolan Ryan, he's like pitching in a tuxedo. Let's see if we can't get this thing out of here safely. 1991, he pitched his 7th career no-hitter. So this is just a cool little card to have. Definitely be holding on to this one. Maybe even sending it off to PSA, see what we get from it. Mike Scioscia, long-time Angels coach. There. Played catcher for the Dodgers. Matt Williams. I am Brown and Jose Gonzalez. One more pack, and we will call it a night for these cards. They're just not opening easily for me. Put that there. All right. Jerome Walton. There's a very young Barry Bonds. We'll sleep him up. Jeff Husson. Billy Ripken. Famous for the mess up bat Fleer card. If you have that one, it's always fun to have. The Walt Weiser. Hey, there's that Ken Griffey Jr. card I was looking for. The bats in the background, looking off in the distance. 1991 Ken Griffey Jr. This should be his rookie card, I believe. Was it 91? Or 1990 maybe? Actually, 89 was his rookie card, not 91. I don't know what I'm thinking. But this card right here is just a fun card. It goes for a PSA anywhere from 30 to 50 retail value. Last I looked, that's probably gone up since I looked for that value. So hopefully this is more up in the triple digits by now, or climbing to get there. And Jose Lind. right, that is it for these today. Let's recap real quick. Ken Griffey Jr., super cool Nolan Ryan, very famous Dodger Francisco Valenzuela, and obviously guys that need no introduction, Barry Bonds, Craig Biggio. These cards were extremely fun for me to open, besides the actual cards being all disarray in the packs. But I mean, this is definitely bringing me back a couple of years of growing up and seeing these guys, growing up and watching these guys play. So this was fun for me. Hopefully it was fun for you to see these cards as well. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if there's a specific year that you're interested in seeing some cards cracked. I do want to try to do some 91 or 92 packs as well. So we will do those in the future. Like I said, future is looking bright. 2020 is in the past. 2021 will be opening up some really neat stuff. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe again, and I will catch you next time.